All right, traders, good morning. How are you doing today? Um, what are we expecting today from the market? Yesterday, we saw after the FOMC, we saw the huge dump to the downside. Remember, I told you that we have been expecting a dump down to um, this other block here, where we saw a huge pump to the upside, leaving this gap. We see an FVG, a clear cut. We see a clear fair value gap here and a clear fair value gap here, and we are waiting for market to retrace to come fill this gap. So we saw a bearish order block created here yesterday, which led to this huge dump down to this point. Now, some people are buying from this point, but this is simply an inducement area. So we're not going to see a huge buy from this area. This is simply an inducement because we see liquidity sitting at the bottom of this place, and we're expecting price to come sweep this liquidity and then come down to this other block to react from this place. So there are two things that we're expecting from the market. If you see liquidity is building up around this area, so we may see price push up back into this other block to sweep the liquidity, the buy side liquidity, before we see a huge dump to this point. Now, this is one thing that we can see from the market, because, like I said, there's liquidity here, and the price needs to come and take out this liquidity. I prefer to wait for liquidity sweep before, uh, because it's usually the major moves usually begin after liquidity has been has been taken out. So we're expecting a liquidity sweep to the upside, tap into this other block, and then a huge dump to this downside. That's one of the things we are expecting from the market. We may also see price uh, choose to dump to this point, fill up the gap before we see the push to the upside. So these are the two scenarios. So we are waiting. Whichever of these setups trigger, we will take our trade. Thank you so much, traders. Have a wonderful trading day.